In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a form Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Mautic account to make a form live, and if needed, schedule when it should be available. Start by opening your Mautic login page and signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, we'll navigate to where forms live in the app. Look for the main navigation and select Components. In that section, choose Forms. This takes you to the full list of forms in your instance. Find the form you want to publish and open it. If you don't already have a form, you can create a new one first, then come back to this list to continue. When your form is open, choose Edit so you can change its settings. This is where publication status is controlled. Inside the form editor, locate the setting labeled Available for Use. Toggle this to Yes. Turning this on means the form is published and can be used in your campaigns, landing pages, or embedded on your website. If this switch is off, the form won't be usable, even if you try to embed it, so this is the key action that makes your form live. If you want to time your form's availability, you can optionally set an available from date and time. This is helpful if you're preparing a launch and want the form to go live automatically at a specific moment. Keep your account's time zone in mind so the form activates when you expect it to. Similarly, you can set an unavailable from date and time to have the form. Stop accepting submissions after a deadline, such as the end of a promotion or an event registration period. Both of these fields are optional, and you can leave them blank if you want the form available immediately and indefinitely. After adjusting the availability settings, make sure to save your changes. Click Save and Close to apply everything and return to the forms list. This confirms the form's status and locks in any scheduling you've added. If you ever need to pause the form later, you can come back to Edit and switch Available for Use to No, or adjust the scheduling dates as needed. That's it. You've navigated to Forms, opened your form, set it to Available for Use, optionally scheduled start and end times, and saved your changes so the form is published and ready to go.